Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat at welcome po sa Tarantotoy and Friends YouTube channel. Ako po si Tarantotoy at ngayon po meron po tayong unboxing video ng Monster Cable M-Series M3000 Ultra High Speed HDMI cable from Monster Cable sa tulong po ni Kuya Oliver. Sana magustuhan nyo po at laking tulong po kung mag-like, share, and subscribe kayo sa aming YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat at meron na naman po tayong bagong unboxing video ng Monster Cable M-Series M3000 Ultra Speed HDMI cable sa tulong po ni Kuya Oliver. At ngayon po, ipapakita na po namin ang disenyo po ng ating kahon ng ating Monster Cable M-Series M3000 po. Ito po ang ating harapan ng kahon at nakikita nyo po doon ang ating mga product features gaya po ng 48 GB per second at saka po yung kanyang haba na 3 meters or 9.8 feet po. At makikita nyo po doon ang litrato ng ating HDMI cable in color blue. Tingnan naman po natin yung side. Ayun. Logo lang po ng ating Monster Cable. Next naman po. Ito po ang ating likod at makikita po natin ang mga product features po ng ating Monster Cable M-Series designed by the Monster team in U.S.A. and by the head monster Mr. Noel. Ang product features po niya ay beyond high speed. Achieve ultra speeds up to 48 GB per second over 2.5 times faster than standard 18 gigabits per second high-speed cables. Design din po siya ng ating V-grip connector which increases connection strength and reliability, especially designed for articulating display mounts. Furthermore po, ang kanyang tips po ay 24 karat gold contacts which ensures signal integrity. Meron din po siyang high-density triple layer shielding, protects against radio frequency noise up to 1 GHz. Meron din po siyang precise conductor lengths for precise signal timing and accuracy. And lastly po, ang highest I standard test. Testing beyond basic HDMI certification ensures each M-Series cable achieves the clearest signal. Furthermore po, ang kanyang construction naman ay with premium metal housing and ultra mesh braided nylon cable po, ensuring the best high quality and long lasting product po. Tingnan po natin yung side naman ulit po. At ayun po, makikita nyo po doon ang ating cable na in color blue with 24 karat gold plated po. And HDMI premium naman po siya, certified. So yun po ang ating side, and ayun po ang ating disenyo ng kahon po ng ating Monster Cable M-Series M3000 designed by the Monster team in U.S.A. and by the head monster Mr. Noel. At ayun po ang ating disenyo ng ating kahon ng Monster Cable M-Series M3000 Ultra Speed HDMI cable in 3 meters or 9.8 feet po. Ngayon po, Kuya Oliver, buksan mo na yan! So na-unbox na po natin ang ating Monster Cable M-Series M3000 Ultra High Speed HDMI cable from Monster Cable. Ngayon po, we will go over the product features galing po sa monsterstore.com. Ang ating Monster M-Series 3000 Certified Premium HDMI 2.1 cable features plug and play at high resolution and speed. transform the way you experience your films, TV shows, and games with the Monster HDMI 2.1 cable. This features an epic 8K picture quality at 60Hz transition for higher FPS levels, top-notch visual and audio support. Allow our Monster 8K HDMI to DisplayPort cable deliver crisp, clean, and vivid detail for an immersive viewing experience with its high-speed transfer rates of up to 48 gigabits per second with high dynamic range imaging and up to 7.1 Dolby DTS-HD surround sound. It is also built to last. Enjoy the cinematic vibe at home without worrying about cable tears and slicing because the Monster HDMI 2.1 cable is made with a Duraflex protective jacket with 24K gold V-grip connectors for a superior and more stable connection. It is also designed by the Monster Cable team at U.S.A. and personally overseen by the head Monster engineer, Mr. Noel Lee. Maintain secure connection. Through Monster's advanced cable technologies, we are able to construct the HDMI 2.1 cable with an exclusive V-grip which provides reliability, secure cable connection in your input and output. And lastly, warranty protected. Monster Cable has set the standard for high-quality sound delivery, and our warranty protection is an extension of our promise to bring you nothing but the best. Monster set the standard with the original lifetime cable warranty, which means that the Monster Essentials digital optical audio cable is covered by the R100% replacement guarantee, so you will be a Monster for life. At ayun po ang ating unboxing video ng ating Monster Cable M Series M3000 Ultra Speed HDMI cable with 48 gigabits per second transfer and 3 meters or 9.8 feet po. And it is an in-wall rated cable. Sana nagustuhan nyo po ang aming unboxing video sa tulong po ni Kuya Oliver at laging tulong po kung mag-like, share, and subscribe kayo sa aming Tarantotoy and Friends YouTube channel. Ingat po lagi at hanggat po sa susunod nating unboxing video. Maraming salamat po. Live from the 6th Street, Tarantotoy and Friends.